What if the best mid-range Pixel ever is about to arrive in 2026? A phone that delivers Pixel cameras, long battery life, and clean Android, but at half the price of flagships. Let's break down the Google Pixel 10a. Google's Pixel A series always brings the best value, and the Pixel 10a looks like it could be another hit. But there's a twist. It's more about smart upgrades, not flashy ones. The Pixel 10a is rumored to have a 6.28-inch FHD+ OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and up to 2,000+ nits of brightness, meaning crisp visuals and easy outdoor viewing. Under the hood, it's expected to run on Google's Tensor G4 chip, the same tried-and-true silicon from last year's Pixel 9a. Maybe not flagship level, but super smooth for daily use, social media, gaming, and multitasking. Google sticks with what works, a 48-megapixel main camera and 13-megapixel ultra-wide setup, great for everyday shots, landscapes, and low-light pics, powered by Google's computational photography. Expect a large 5100 mAh battery, promising all-day use without panic. Fast charging and daily endurance are core strengths here. It should ship with Android 16 and benefit from Pixel's long support promise, clean UI, timely feature drops, and long-term security updates. Unlike bigger Pixel models, the 10a might skip advanced AI tools like Magic Q, may not have a telephoto zoom lens, and sticks with UFS 3.1 storage, but that's what keeps the price down. Early leaks suggest around $500/300,000 rupees/mid-range price bracket, making it a strong contender against other Android phones in the segment. So, is the Pixel 10a the best mid-range Android phone of 2026? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe for all the latest Pixel leaks and reviews.